My house is messy, but don't worry because I'm not worried, okay? It's normal. This is just an update on an umbilical hernia that I had. I was diagnosed 9 months ago, and that is after I had the baby. I had a lot of pain in my belly button and I couldn't work out. So I knew something was wrong. I waited for 10 months after birth, and then I went to the GP and they diagnosed me and said I had umbilical hernia. So I still waited to see if it will heal on its own. I was referred by the GP so that a surgery will be carried out on me, so I was on waiting list. This is England. So yeah, I will cover another video telling you what to do if you've been on a waiting list for more than 18 weeks and you haven't heard anything from your GP or from the surgery team. So in 2 days I'm going to have my surgery, and I just want to share with you what the doctor has discussed with me and why we have decided to have the surgery and what kind of surgery I'm going to have. In basic language, I have 2 holes in my umbilical, so my intestines are coming out a little bit out of what they should be, and it gives a lot of pain. This is why I should have the surgery. You can also get strangled by the intestine and that could cause death, so it's a little bit scary, but it's also not placed under emergency cases unless you having severe pain. In my case, I have 2 holes. One is 1.5 centimeters umbilical hernia. I have 3 centimeters of para-umbilical hernia in the midsection. There are 2 options that has been given to me by my doctor. One is that we use a mesh to cover both holes, all right? But the disadvantage of that is I may not be able to have a successful pregnancy. The rate is very high, but the advantage is that the hernia will not come back again. So given that only have a child and might decide to have another one, my doctor strongly advised I shouldn't go for that option, and I think yes, I shouldn't go for it. The other option is performing 2 smaller insertions, and with that one the disadvantage is it could fail, which means that the hernia could come back again. I have thought about it, and it was like a hard pill to swallow, you know, to know that you could not be able to do this. Like I'm not desperate and really want to have another child with my current situation, okay? But then again, I don't want to block my chance of being able to have a child if I want to, or when I feel my situation has really improved and I can afford a second child, okay, like my husband and I. Okay, I want to be in a position to be able to do it if I want to. So for that reason, therefore, we have opted for the second option, which is performance of 2 smaller insertions, and see how it goes. It might fail, it might not fail, but yes, my mom, I'm praying and everything is gonna, like, mom, it's not everything that is about prayers, but yeah, this is the reality. Yeah, I think in this case doctors are going to do their part, so I need some kind of luck that it works out. So maybe my mom is right, we need some prayers, even though I don't solely believe in that, but yes, we need some just good wishing. Yeah, just good wishing. 2 days I'm going to have it, and I will let you know how it goes. And yes, I'm not going to have it in a public hospital. I have been transferred by NHS to a private hospital, read a review, and it looks so beautiful, and they said it's really great. So I'm going to see what the outcome is going to be, and I'll let you guys know. This is how my belly looks like, or my body looks like after 20 months, and hoping that this surgery does go on well. So yeah, you can see there's 1 hole here and there is 1 hole here. Yeah, Yeah, so instead of covering all of it, if everything is covered, all right, when I'm pregnant, my belly will not, the fetus will not be able to expand, because your belly need to expand. It will not be able to expand because a mesh will be used to carry out that operation, and so it will be really hard to expand, and that could cause miscarriage. So yeah, they're going to do smaller incisions, like separate ones, do this and then do this, and yeah, we hope it's going to be successful. So right now I don't feel bad, but I'm not 100% confident with my body in bikini, because it's not my natural body. So yeah, so yes, when it's done I will show you my body again and we will see. But in the next video I'm going to tell you what to do if you've been on NHS waiting list for more than 18 months. Like I always say, be bold, be beautiful, say whatever you want to say, be whoever you want to be, as long as you're not hurting anyone. But most of all, stay motivated and inspired. I'll see you in the next video, and adios.
Stay motivated and inspired.